Hi, this is Alex from Dodson FTC, and today I'm going to show you how to use all the tools in TinkerCAD. So first we have 3 different cubes of different sizes, and those are the tools up there. The first we're going to be using is the cruise tool. So I'm going to click on this and then select cruise, and then click on this small little dot, and I can then drag it onto the planes of other shapes. See, there aren't any seams at all when I zoom in. So now I'm going to reset that. The next tool I'm going to use is the mirror tool. Obviously for these cubes it wouldn't work since they're the same on every side, so we're going to use this heart shape. So when I select it and click mirror and click on this side, it flips and it's a mirror image. The next tool is going to be the align tool. So I'm going to highlight all of those shapes and click align. And if you look there, it gives us previews for each different line they can go on. So we're going to click this one, and even though these are all different size shapes, the middles line up perfectly and they are like in a line. The next tool is going to be the group tool. So I can highlight that and then click group. And if I click on just this shape only, I can actually drag all 3 of those cubes around and they stay in the same order. So the opposite of that is ungroup, so I'm going to highlight all of that, and then I can click on the shapes and drag them individually. So hopefully this was helpful to learn all the tools in TinkerCAD, and I'll see you in the next video.